Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing the GlossyBox Holiday Limited Edition 2020 box. If you're interested in seeing what was in this box, stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Most of us know GlossyBox as a monthly beauty subscription box, but in addition to that beauty subscription box, they occasionally offer limited edition boxes that can be purchased even if you're not a subscriber to their beauty subscription box. This particular limited edition box cost $35 or $30 if you're a subscriber. You can also get cash back with Rakuten. GlossyBox is a Rakuten participating site, so you can get cash back. Their normal is 3% every day, but I have seen it go up into the double digits at various times over the holidays and at other times of the year. So if you are interested, that is something to keep in mind. If you're not familiar with Rakuten, it used to be known as Ebates. It is the #1 cash back website. And if you want more information, I will put my video about it up above and my link down below, where you can get a $20 welcome bonus if you subscribe using my link. So I'll put that down below and my video up above. But the GlossyBox limited edition box, they claim that it contains 8 products worth over $200. So let's check it out. If this looks familiar, it's because it matches the advent calendar from this year. So very, very pretty. I just thought since I had already unboxed the advent calendar, I would go ahead and do the limited edition holiday box. And then it opens up like this. And then we have the little pamphlet and everything is wrapped up inside. Very nicely presented. One of the things I really love about GlossyBox is the presentation. It really just feels like it takes it up a step versus other subscription boxes where everything's just kind of thrown in with stuffing or foam or whatever, or just thrown in a bag. I really like this. I feel like it feels like you're getting a little bit of luxury, even though you know, the GlossyBox is actually a lot cheaper than a lot of other subscription boxes. So just something to keep in mind. Anyway, what it says on the inside here, if you weren't able to read it, was there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. So let's see what items. The insert does include the items and description of them and the MSRP, and you know, whether it's a full size or not. I of course have gone out and done the research just to make sure what they are being sold for currently and done the math, so we will check and see whether they really did give us what they promised, which was 8 products worth over $200. So let's open it up, untie the ribbon and open the sticker, and let's see what we have. So the first thing I'm seeing is from Authentic Beauty Concept, and it is a dry shampoo. So this is, the scent on this is a pure, fresh, elegant, feminine floral creation composed of a generous bouquet of white peony blended with fresh cut leaves accents, underlined with luminous rose, freesia blossoms, and cottony powdery violet over a soft background of creamy musks and mellow woods. Seems like an awful lot to ask of this little bottle. A full size of this would be 150 grams and retail for $25. This is 60 grams, so value on this is $10. Okay, our next product is from Intraceuticals. It's not a brand I've heard of. Let me know if you have. This is Rejuvenate Daily Serum, #1 Revive. So this visibly improves your skin's texture, radiance, and vitality, hydrates and delivers potent anti-aging ingredients, and creates the perfect canvas for makeup application. This is 15 milliliters. A full size would be 30 milliliters and retail for $149. So this 15 milliliters deluxe sample has value of $74.50. Again, if you're familiar with this brand, let me know down below, because at that price, I want to know more about it. I'm back! Today is day 19 of my 25 days of giveaways. Can you believe it? 19 days! Okay, let's get started going through the products, and then I will go through the rules and get you back to the video. Okay, as always, we start out with a makeup bag and some sheet masks. This one has from Duff & Duff the pink milk mask, and from Peace Out, the Peace Out Dullness One Step Brightening Face Pad. We also have the coffee scrub in rose, and from Tula Skincare, So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. From Elemis, Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Another one from Elemis, this is Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. From Purlisse, Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. From Dr. Brandt, Pore Dermabrasion. From Symbiosis London, Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask. And also for the eyes, from Erno Laszlo, this is Multitask Eye Serum Mask. These are those, little under the eye masks. And from Vita Liberata, this is Body Blur HD Skin Finish in the shade Latte. And for the nails, we have a mini from Static Nails in the shade Bubble Bath. And from Essie, we have a miniature in the shade Bonbon Nuit. Okay, and then from Lava Lashes, we have a set of premium foam ink lashes in the style Charm. From Ciate London, the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. From Givenchy, Le Rose Perfecto Liquid Balm. From Bodyography, this is a duo of eye pencils. From Huda Beauty, this is the Lip Strobe in the shade Snobby. And from Sol de Janeiro, this is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter in the shade Teeny Bikini. And from Ilamasqua, this is the Loaded Lip Polish in the shade, I believe it's Glaze. Can't really see it very well. It's clear. And from another from Ciate London, this is the Wonder Wand Mascara. From Melt, we have a mini liquid lip in the color Rebound. From the Beauty Crop, I have a highlighter in the shade Sicily Sunset. From e.l.f., we have the Bite Size Face Duo in Pomegranate. Also from e.l.f., we have a Bite Size eyeshadow in Rose Water. Love this one. And from Pixie by Petra, we have the Eye Reflection Shadow Palette in the shade Mixed Metals. There we go. I think you're getting the shades there. And from IBY Beauty, the Enlighten eyeshadow palette. Plastic on that because it's on there pretty well, but hopefully you can see the shades for that. And because everybody gets brushes, we have a Luxie brush set. Comes in this little case. This is, I believe they called it the Wonderlust set. It is 4 brushes plus a spoolie in this periwinkle, and comes with the case. So that is everything for day 19. Ooh, wait. forgot to change the date. Day 19. So that's everything for day 19. Let's run through the rules real quickly. Everything will be down below with the exception of the mystery word or phrase, which you can only get from watching the video. Okay. You must have a US shipping address, you must be age 18 or over, you must be subscribed to my channel with your subscriptions on public, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have them. Leave me a comment that includes the word enter and the name of your favorite reindeer. Are you a Dasher fan? You like a good Vixen, Dancer? Are you Rudolph? Or like, you're gonna go for one of the lesser known reindeer, like, what's his name, Chet? It's Chet from Santa Claus 3? 2? Anyway, or Clarice? Isn't she the one that thinks Rudolph is cute? Anyway, tell me the name of your favorite reindeer and include the word enter so the comment picker can find you. Otherwise, it won't pick you up. If you have Instagram or Twitter, please also leave me your Instagram or Twitter name so I have a second way to contact you besides just responding to your comment here on YouTube. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter and you feel comfortable to leave me another method such as an email address, please do, but you absolutely do not have to. But if you don't leave me a second way to contact you, please remember to come back and check the comment here just in case the YouTube notifications don't go out or get caught in your spam filter or whatever. Once I ship the box, I'm no longer responsible for the box or its contents. I will give the winner their tracking number once it ships. Packages will be being batch shipped, so don't expect it to go out the day or two after you send me your contact information. Because of the current situation, I am only trying to leave my house as little as possible, so they will I'll probably ship once a week. The giveaway is not affiliated with or sponsored by YouTube or any of the brands I've mentioned or any of the brands in the main video. All items in the giveaway were purchased with my own money or were received in subscription boxes, mystery boxes, advent calendars, that kind of thing, which were purchased with my own money. Nothing was sponsored or donated or gifted. I'll leave this giveaway open until December 29th at 1 p.m. Eastern, and the winner will have 48 hours to respond to me, or I will choose another winner. And I believe that's everything, so let's get back to the video, see what's going on over there. Okay, our third product is from Cab Cosmetics, and this is a lip liner. They are available in 15 shades, but it appears that we all received the same shade, which is Strawberry Daiquiri, which is a mid-tone pink with nude undertones. Down there you can see the shade. This is a full size. The retail on it is $12. Okay, next from Biosilk. This is Silk Therapy Original. This is a weightless leave-in silk replenishing and reconstructing treatment that helps repair, smooth, and protect all hair types. This is available at Ulta in 2 sizes. The brand itself has many, many sizes, but there are 2 sizes at Ulta. This is the 2.26 ounce or 67 milliliter and retails for $15.95. From Chemist Confessions, this is the Travel Buddy Moisturizing Mini Kit. Open it up and, oh, how cute! Comes in this little wallet. Okay, inside we have deluxe samples of, or travel sizes, of the Aqua Fix Hydrating Water Gel, the Better Oil. I don't know what it's better than, but it's better. Bon Voyage. And this might be my favorite name, Mr. Reliable All-in-One Moisturizer. So it's a little travel moisturizer kit. This retails for $35. Chemist Confessions was founded by chemists, 2 female chemists who wanted to be more transparent about skincare. So that's kind of interesting. You may want to check out their website. And they also included in here a promo code for 15% off your first order from their website, so that's pretty cool. Next, from Christoph Robin, this is cleansing volumizing paste with pure Rasul clay and rose extracts. This is a deep cleansing treatment for fine hair lacking density, which is absolutely not mine. I've got, I got thick hair and a lot of it. But I do know someone who can use this. It is available in 2 sizes at retail, a 250 milliliter and a 75 milliliter. The 75 milliliter retails for $19. This is a 40 milliliter sample, so that gives it a value of $10.13. Okay, our next product is from MZ Skin by Dr. Mariam Zamani. And this is the Hydra Lift Golden Facial Treatment Mask. You can actually see the mask here, it's in pieces. Dr. Zamani is an oculoplastic surgeon in London. The only reason that was of note to me is because the type of surgeon that I went to for my eye was an oculoplastic surgeon, someone who specializes in surgery around the eyes, whether it's cosmetic or people that that have the eyelids that drooped so far that they can't see, they do that kind of thing, or as in my case, where I had eyelid cancer removed and then reconstruction done. But anyway, these are sold in 5 packs or individually. You guys didn't really need to know that, but whatever. They are sold in 5 packs and individually. The individual packs retail for $30. And our final product is from Lauren B. Beauty. And this is a nail polish in the shade Bright Lights. And Bright Lights is part of the Edie Parker x Lauren B collection. The big city style is yours when you flash this fusion of gold and silver glitter on fingers and toes. Retail on this is $14. So that's everything that was in the box. Those were our 8 items. Again, the box is $35 or $30 for subscribers, and then you can also get your cash back on that. They promised it would contain 8 products worth over $200. My total calculated value, $201.58. So we got what we were promised. Some things I'm really interested in. The fact that there were 3 hair care products in here don't thrill me, but some of the other products I am actually very interested in. So, it's a little bit of everything. Let me know what you thought. Did you think it was a good box? I believe it's still available if you're interested. At least it was as of a few days ago, so you may want to check that out if you're interested. Leave any comments down in the comments section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.